Hello, in this tutorial we're going to develop a very simple boat, and we starting from the cube that we see here. That is Blender animation software, and anytime that you started you have a cube at the center. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to use this cube to model a very simple boat. Now the cube is in the object mode. You can see it here. Object mode is very solid, and if I want to turn it into or change it into the wireframe, I have to press Z and 4, and that is the wireframe as you can see it over here. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to enter into the edit mode so that I can be able to edit the vertices or the edges or the faces. So I'll press the tab key and I'll enter into the edit mode. So in the edit mode, you can see that I can grab the vertices and start to move them any way I want to do that. Okay, so I am in the edit mode. This way I can also choose the edges and move the edges anyhow I want to do that. Okay, all the faces, I'll choose a face and I'll move the faces any way I want to do that. But that is not what I'm interested. What I'm interested is to create first the hull of the boat. That is the hole, that is the inner hole of the boat. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I am in the edit mode and I'll select the top face this way. Let me press shift enter and bring it down a little bit here. So I'll press E, the short key E, for extrude, so I can extrude the face, but I'm not gonna extrude it up here. Press on the right button to bring it back, but I have double faces here. So what I'm going to do is to press on S for scaling, and I'll scale it a little bit this way. All right, that is cool. I'm going to press on the numeric keypad, that is the number 1 for the front view. I'll press on shift and the middle button to push it a little bit up, then control and the middle button to zoom it in a little bit. All right, so what else am I gonna do? I want to see the inner workings of whatever is happening here. So I'll press Z and 4 and I will change it into the wireframe mode. I'm going to press on E again for extrude, then I'll press on the middle button and I'll push my extrusion down and down and down a little bit. I think this is okay. All right, so this is the hull of my boat. So I can change it back to the solid mode, that is Z6, and you can see. So that is the part 1. We are creating a boat, and this is the part 1. We will get to the part 2 on how to model it.